Today I want you to know something really very special. You are an incredibly loved person, 1,000 times more because of something you did. Yes, you. The angels whisper about how you have a heart of gold and a spirit that nothing can break. You are the kind of person everyone trusts. Someone who is always willing to support and inspire without asking for anything in return. You are a true giver, always thinking of others and doing good just for the pleasure of helping. Your intelligence and passion are remarkable, and you have an amazing ability to make things work, even when it seems impossible. And you know what's even more incredible? There is someone out there who has secretly admired you for a long time. This person is in love with you, watching every one of your steps with admiration and love. And at this moment, they have finally found the courage to tell you how they feel. They want to spend the rest of their life with you, and I feel that the feeling is mutual. The angels say that all of this is part of a bigger plan and that the universe is aligning in your favor. You are receiving the strength, knowledge, and blessings you need to continue shining your light in the world. You have the power to make a real difference, to inspire others, and to create a positive impact on the world. So keep being beautiful, keep being you, and never let anyone dim your shine. You are a special person with a unique gift that the world needs. And always remember, when you give, you do it with an open heart and no ulterior motives. That's what makes you truly special. There is something magical when two souls meet and realize they were made for each other. It's not just about finding someone who completes you, but about finding someone who sees all your parts, the pretty and the not so pretty, and still chooses to stay by your side. It's about being present in the good and bad moments, sharing dreams, laughter, and tears. This is the kind of love that makes life worth living. The angels are around you, guiding your every step, whispering in your ear that you are on the right path. Sometimes, things may seem difficult, the challenges may seem insurmountable, but remember that you are never alone. God is always by your side, supporting you and offering you the strength needed to overcome any obstacle. You have a unique glow, something that attracts people to you, that inspires them to be better. Use that light to illuminate the path of those who are lost, to bring hope to those who are discouraged. Your impact on the world is greater than you imagine. Each small action, each kind word, each gesture of love makes a tremendous difference. Never underestimate the power of your heart. Keep believing in yourself. Keep dreaming big. The world needs your passion, your energy, your determination. Don't let anyone tell you that you are not capable. You are stronger than you think, more talented than you believe, and more loved than you know. And when you share this love, when you act with kindness and generosity, you make the world a better place. And above all, remember that when you give, do so with an open heart. Don't expect anything in return, because the true value lies in the generosity of the act. This is what makes you truly special, the ability to give without expecting anything in return, to love unconditionally, to shine without dimming others' light. You have an incredible gift, something the world desperately needs. Use it wisely, with love, with compassion. And never, ever let anyone dim your light. You are a star, destined to illuminate the world around you. So go forward, keep being who you are, and know that the universe is aligning to bring you everything you deserve. I want to end with a prayer for you. Lord, thank you for your unconditional love and for gifting me with this incredible person who is listening to me now. Please continue to bless them, giving them the courage and strength needed to keep doing good. Help them create a better world, one act of kindness at a time. We trust in you and believe that you will continue to open paths, even when there seems to be no way. Amen. If this message touches your heart, leave this affirmation in the comments. I am grateful for my ability to positively impact the lives of others and bring joy to those around me. I am confident in my ability to face any challenges that come my way and always find a solution. I am worthy of love and affection and am open to receiving the love and support the universe has to offer me. Amen. Never forget how special you are. Maybe you don't realize it all the time, but your impact on the world is huge. Every smile you offer, every kind word, every act of generosity makes a difference you can't even imagine. You know those moments when someone is going through a tough time and your words bring a little light? That is no accident. God is using you to make a difference, to be a positive force in people's lives. No matter the obstacles you face, you have an inner strength that allows you to overcome them. Do not let challenges bring you down. They are here to strengthen you, teach you, and make you even more amazing than you already are. Trust in God and the plan He has for you. Every step you take, every decision you make, is leading you in the right direction. Even when everything seems difficult, when it seems like there is no way out, remember that God is always by your side, opening paths, guiding your steps. And when you feel overwhelmed, when things seem out of control, take a deep breath and remember the blessings you have already received. There is so much to be grateful for. Your open and generous heart is a gift to the world. The ability to give without expecting anything in return is rare and precious. That is what makes you special. Do not let anyone tell you otherwise. You are worthy of love, happiness, and all the good that life has to offer. So, continue being this wonderful person that you are. Continue spreading love and light wherever you go. The world needs more people like you, who are not afraid to show their vulnerability, who are willing to help others, who make a difference with small acts of kindness. Always remember, you are loved, you are needed, and you have a grand purpose in this world. If this message touched your heart, repeat with me, I am grateful for my ability to positively impact the lives of others and to bring joy to those around me. I am confident in my ability to face any challenges that come my way and always find a solution. I am worthy of love and affection and am open to receiving the love and support that the universe has to offer. Amen. Let's continue on this journey together, trusting in God, trusting in the greater plan He has for us. And remember, you are never alone. God is always with you, guiding your steps, offering you His strength and unconditional love. You are a light in the world, and the world needs your shine. So go ahead, keep being you, and know that the best is yet to come. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now and don't miss the next video, which has a special message just for you. Support us by donating any amount through the Thanks a Lot option. It helps us a lot, and all contributions are always welcome so that we can continue bringing divine messages daily. Until our next meeting, stay with God and in the company of your guardian angels. Amen.